Integral University, Lucknow. Inspiring excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Shahabuddin, Assistant Professor at Integral University, Lucknow. Dear students, I am here to give you a brief introduction about the course Indian Economy. In this course, we will study in depth about national income and infrastructure, planning and economic development, agriculture and land reforms, industrial growth, and major economic problems and foreign trades. Dear students, I would like you to know that since independence, India has been a mixed economy. Indian economy is basically based in the contribution of service sector, currently provides 60% share of GDP, and near about 53% of its population is dependent on agriculture. Agriculture plays a vital role in the Indian economy. Over 70% of the rural household depend on agriculture. Agriculture is an important sector of Indian economy as it contributes to 17% of total GDP and provides employment to over 60% of the population. The study of economics helps people to understand the world around them. It enables people to understand people, businesses, markets, and governments, and therefore better responds to the threats and opportunities that emerge when things change. So, it is very important for us to study and understand Indian economy. The objective of this course is to make you aware of how the Indian economy is influencing the business environment in Indian context. The course is of 40 contact hours and will give you 4 credits on completion. This course is divided into 5 units, namely National Income and Infrastructure, Planning and Economic Development, Agriculture and Land Reforms, Industrial Growth, and Major Economic Problems and Foreign Trades. In addition to the end semester examination, you are supposed to give 2 quizzes, 2 assignments, and 2 mid-semester examination. Thank you so much. This was a brief about the course from my side.